Welcome to the web-based data integration and automation tool called RSDataWeb. The system has 5 functional tabs such as clients, transactions, interfaces, reports and documents, and administration. The Clients tab deals with client relationship management and lists all your client structures such as self-managed superannuation funds, family trusts, and companies. Clicking on the client number, views your client's basic information such as contact details, bank accounts, members' details, professionals, fee type, and notes. RSDataWeb has embedded workflow management system organized into tasks and individual work items. Additionally, the system has a dashboard which shows a graphical summaries with actionable global data for your entity, which can be further customized based on your feedback. Now moving on to Transactions tab, it deals with transaction data management. By selecting a client, the system views all your client's bank accounts and a number of cash transactions for 3 financial years, and also a number of investments and number of investment transactions for those 3 financial years. By clicking on Maintain Cash Transactions, the user is allowed to select a bank account and the financial year to view the client's cash transaction summary. Now this can be imported via CSV file downloaded from bank institutions or via bank link. By clicking on to Maintain Investment Transactions, the system lists all the holdings and a number of investments transactions for the specific financial year. To select a holding, click on the security code and the system populates a list of all the investment transactions. Now RSDataWeb extracts all the trading data on a daily basis and automatically generates the investment transactions within RSDataWeb with the source PDF source document attached to it. By clicking on the PDF button, it generates the source document. Now to further automate the self-managed superannuation fund administration, RSDataWeb has embedded transaction rules and dividend rules. Once the user creates those rules, the system recognizes the transactions in RSDataWeb and assigns correct chart of account. Now moving on to interfaces, this deals with all the data import and data export. Now RSDataWeb automates the capture of all the platforms and web transactions and also capture of custom data feeds. Now moving on to reports and documents, this RSDataWeb has embedded document management system. By clicking on the client, user may list all the client's documents. You can sort the list by clicking on the headers or by searching in those blank windows. RSDataWeb also has transactions reports on client basis or on a global entity basis. And lastly, the Administration tab deals with all the master data such as professionals and users, and also the workflow, how to set up tasks and work items.